To add a new name or number to a group, just write in the new name and go out of the form field, and it's saved. To add a single article line to the subwoofer group, start searching with name or number, add the quantity, add the line, and you will now see it marked as in group. To add the template to this group, select a template and it's added. To add a non-stock article, select the non-stock button, enter article name, select unit, enter purchase price, list price, you can add discount or set a net sale price, and save, and you got the new line. To add the text to the subwoofer group, click the text button. You can use standard texts, copy, and then paste it into the subwoofer text. You can edit this text any way you want, and click save. To copy a group, click the copy group button, start copying, this time 3 rooms, change the names, on the checkboxes on the left side you can choose if you want to have the text copied or not. Then copied groups, no text in that group, text in that group. To add a reminder to this group, enter the article number or name for the reminder, add the line, you see the line in blue. In the panels on the right hand side you can see all reminders in this offer and subwoofer. Same with tags, that's article with article tags, and in subwoofer sums.